Hey there, I'm Maria. Join me as I explore life on your island, training amazing horses and make unforgettable memories. Hello everyone, I'm back. Today I have something really special planned, a trail ride. Yes, I know that might sound a bit boring for a single video, but trust me, that's definitely not the case. We're heading deep into the wild woods. The same woods where I was last time with an old friend in one of my first videos. It's such a lovely place full of adventure and tranquility, and I can't wait to take you along on this journey. And yes, I am going with Queen Maze. For those wondering who is Queen Maze, well, she's my newest addition, a beautiful horse I recently bought at an auction. I've had her for about 2.5 weeks now, and I have to say, I'm really smitten with her. Since I got her, we've been out together almost every day, and it's truly a joy. But I have to be honest, I've told a little lie. The ride isn't today as I intentionally said. It's actually happening tomorrow, but I wanted to get you in the mood a bit beforehand. And as you might have seen, hopefully you're not blind, it's already late in the evening. It's almost dark and I still need to quickly pick up Queen, check her over and groom her so everything is in order before we leave. It would be a shame to head out tomorrow and find out she's lame. So I'm heading over now to fetch her from the paddock and give her a good grooming session.
Who would ever thought that it would be our time? I just know it, 'cause you're the one.
Queen Maze is truly a treasure. She's such a sweet and calm horse that I don't have many expectations, but that doesn't mean I don't give her all the love and attention she deserves. Today she was really as bright as a sunflower, so I am convinced we'll have a smooth ride tomorrow. The stuff is already packed, my bag is ready, and my backpack with snacks and water is filled. You never know, it might turn into a long day. I'm so happy everything is running smoothly, and I can hardly wait to show her off tomorrow and let her experience how beautiful and free trail riding can be. It's now 5 a.m. I'm speaking softly because Zane is still sleeping in bed. He really is my rock, my support, and today he and Isabel will take care of the lessons and my horses. That makes me feel at ease, and it's such a comforting feeling. As he gets ready for the day, I quickly have breakfast, a cup of coffee, some bread and fruit. Then it's time to get Queen ready for the day. I load her up, double check the tag, and then we head out to Fairgrove where our adventure continues.
I can live in your dreams. I'm not the person who make you fall in love and then fall asleep. Let me tell you a thing. When I say you can breathe, you make me think what it would be like if I could see you on the lips. If you think about me, you can say you love me, when you was hiding, when you was hiding. If you think about me, you can say you love me, when you was hiding, why you always hiding, yeah. Worry about it, it's secret, don't worry about it. Our feelings, don't worry about it, it's secret, I won't say anything. Don't worry about it, it's secret, don't worry about it. Our feelings, don't worry about it, it's secret, I won't say anything, yeah.
We've arrived at the starting point of our ride. I'm riding bitless so I can easily stop and I don't need to remove her bridle during short breaks. Perfect for quick stops. Queen has been doing really well so far. The village was busy with loads of traffic and people, but she remains calm and obedient. That gives me a lot of confidence. Honestly, I'm just enjoying this peace and freedom with her. I can't wait to take you along to our first rest stop. So stay tuned.
Tell me with your body, take me into your arms, please. I can't behave, boy. Baby, you belong here. Touch me and I'm dying. Is this the heaven? I'm falling deeper.
We've reached our first resting stop. Queen has been very well behaved, and at first she found the weather a bit scary. I could almost hear her thinking,
What is that strange liquid coming out of the ground?
but in the end everything went fine and she drank happily. Of course, I keep an eye on her and let her graze under my supervision, ensuring she doesn't eat anything harmful. Meanwhile, I also take some time to eat and drink myself. It's such a nice way to relax before heading further. After a short break, we mount up again and continue towards the next destination.
Burning bright in the night sky, said we could get lost in this moment. Coming alive in the nighttime. Burning bright in the night sky, said we could get lost in this moment. Coming alive in the nighttime. Burning bright in the night sky, said we could get lost in this moment. Coming alive in the nighttime. Burning bright in the night sky, said we could get lost in this moment. Coming alive in the nighttime. Burning bright in the night sky, said we could get lost in this moment. Coming alive in the nighttime. Burning bright in the night sky, said we could get lost in this moment. Coming alive in the nighttime. Burning bright in the night sky, said we could get lost in this moment.
And here we are, our overnight accommodation. It might sound a bit strange, but I've hung a small tag in her name with my name, contact details and phone number. There's also a special halter with an air tag attached in case Queen gets loose or loses her halter. That way people can find her quickly and contact me. It might seem like an adventure, but the stables are full and the indoor facilities are private, so I have to be a bit creative. That's why I've groomed her so she can graze safely in the field in the evening. Then I'll quickly grab some food and I'll crawl into my bed, ready for a new day. Good morning, we're back on the road. Luckily Queen hasn't escaped. That would be just my luck. And we're preparing for the final stretch home. First we'll pass Dundle, then make a quick stop at Starshine Ranch, and finally head to Marley's farm. Here's some big news I wanted to share next week, but I'll tell you now. Marley is closing down his farm. I've bought it, well, actually Zane bought it, which means a whole new chapter is beginning for us. On the property there are two arenas, one for barrel racing and the other for jumping and cross country. We'll be using them for lessons and for the smaller ponies like Coco, Bear, Shadow and soon Storm once he's able again. We'll have some stables. It's going to be an amazing expansion, especially for lessons and shows, giving the kids the chance to be closer to the horses without having to travel away. Of course, it's not very safe for very young children to be in the open fields, so this is a great solution. The barrel arena will be Zane's training area and an extra lesson spot, maybe even for some shows depending on how everything goes. It's an exciting new chapter and I can't wait to get started. It's so wonderful to see how everything develops and grows. I'll definitely keep you updated on all the new plans and adventures.
Take a chance, live your life for just one night, no looking back. 'Cause tonight will make it right, and I can't tell you, you have to see. Let me show you, I'll set you free. A world unknown, pure ecstasy, no looking back, just come with me. And I can't fight this feeling, we're up all night, love coming down, heartbeat bump to the rhythm, and ain't no stopping us now. I can't fight this feeling, we're up all night, love coming down, heartbeat bump to the rhythm, and ain't no stopping us now. Take a chance, live your life for just one night.
We're now in a beautiful orchard and I've asked for permission to pick some fruit. It smells wonderful and it's such a cozy spot to rest for a bit. Queen is really enjoying the grass and the peaceful surroundings, and I take some time to relax, enjoy nature and soak up the sun filtering through the trees. Then we mount up again and head home. the lesson horses aren't in pasture. Probably Zane is giving a lesson now, so I don't want to disturb him. I'll soon unsettle Queen, rinse her off, and do a thorough check to ensure everything is in order. Then I'll take her out for a short lunching session so she can stretch her legs and feel good again. If all goes well, I'll put her in the paddock for a few hours so she can recover from the ride and enjoy the sun and grass. Afterwards, I'll help Zane with the stable work. Teamwork is key, and I'm so grateful to have such a wonderful people around me. And that is it for today. Before I end, I want to thank you all so much for your support, kind messages, and positive vibes. It truly means the world to me, and I hope you enjoyed this long, cozy ride full of adventure and warmth. Stay tuned because there's so much more coming your way. Until next time, keep your reins steady and your hearts open. See you soon on Jorvik Island.